Hi, are you having problems with back pain from sitting too long? You're at work and you go to get up and move and you stand up and then your back is just really stiff and sore. It takes a few minutes to loosen up. Are you having trouble with that same kind of problem when you drive to work, when you make that commute and you go 15, 20, 30-minute drive and you're continuing to get out and it takes, 15, 20 seconds to loosen that back up. And it's just really dragging on you and it's really making it hard to be able to sit and move, and then that really affects you when you get home as well. Well, listen, you're not alone. There's lots of us that have those problems because we sit way too much at work. So what I wanted to do is show you the 3 best ways that I have found to eliminate that problem. And here we are in my office, and the first thing that I want to talk to you about is you've got to stand. Okay, so we've got to get you out of that chair and you need to be in a standing position for at least 20 minutes out of each hour. And stand-up desks are the best way to do that. As you can see, I have my workstation here, and all you're going to do is a press of the button is you can raise that up. Now most employers, they don't have a problem getting these for you. They're not very expensive, and then you can work from that standing position. So again, try and stand for 20 minutes out of every hour, and then you can sit down, okay? Then the second thing that you need to do is we've got to get these hip flexors, these muscles in here, we've got to get them to shut down because they're spasm, they're creating all this compression. So we also have to get your glute or your butt muscles to be more active and stronger. Best way to do that, you can do this in your office, is put one foot in front of the other, and if you just raised your desk, now you can use that to help with balance. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to tighten your butt, okay? So you're going to squeeze your buttocks together. Just squeeze those glutes, all right? Really tighten them. Keep them tight the whole time. You're going to lunge forward a little bit, keeping the buttocks tight. Keep those puppies squeezed. And then I want you to lean back just a little bit, okay? You're going to feel a little stretch right in through that area. And then hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Let up and switch over and do the other side. The third thing that I want you to do is take one of these bands, okay? These are cheap. You can purchase these on Amazon or Walmart, anywhere. There's different colors for different resistance levels. Just start with a low resistance level and build your way up. But you can keep this in your desk drawer, keep it out of the way. But take this out, grab this band, and then what I want you to do is stand up nice and tall, squeeze the rear end together. Remember we talked about those glutes, so tighten that up. Arms out in front of you like this, and then what I want you to do is pull the band apart and squeeze your shoulder blades together, okay? And then come back together, and then you're gonna come apart, squeeze your shoulder blades together, come back together, and nice and easy, go nice and slow, not real fast, and you're gonna do this for about 15 to 20 repetitions, and you work your way up to 30. That helps stretch out your chest, that helps strengthen your upper back, because when we're sitting, we're all hunched over, we're working on our computers, we're driving the car, and that's tightening everything up in here, that's weakening everything up in here, and that's affecting everything else down your back. So work on these 3 things. I guarantee you they're going to make a difference for you, and that's going to help you be more energetic at work. You're going to be more productive. You're going to feel better. That might even allow you to earn that big promotion or raise, which when you come home, you'll be feeling a lot better about yourself, and you'll make your family a lot happier too. So work on these things, and then if this video meant anything to you, if you found it to be helpful, please share it with your family and friends, because I'm on a mission, and my mission is to end chronic pain, restore hope, and help my clients reach for a higher level of health. Also, I'm going to put a link in below the video, and if you are still having problems with your back right now, my team and I are offering a breakthrough exam for only $27. And in this session, we're going to get to the root cause of your problem. We're going to set you up on an action plan, and you're actually going to get even a treatment, so you'll start feeling better right away, all for just $27. So just click on that link. You can set that up. And until next time, keep moving forward, stay strong, and we give movement, and movement is life.